Hello students, this is Kiran sir and we are going to deal English for 7th standard and today we discuss about poem. No. This poem written by Thomas Hood and actually in this poem Thomas Hood described serious condition, serious matter regarding his life. Okay, so now let's we discuss about the Thomas Hood. Who was the Thomas Hood? Now students, open your page number 23 and see in your textbook. Thomas Hood, born in 1799 and death is 1845. Thomas Hood was the son of a London bookseller and you have an idea about what is the meaning of bookseller. एक bookseller का एक लड़का था. At a young age, he became apprentice to an engraver. Apprentice doing work there. जैसे ITI वाले करते हैं वैसे apprentice. Engraver, this is the work in doing. This is the skill worker. जिसे हम mining work वाला भी बोल सकते हैं. At a young age, he became apprentice to an engraver. But when he became quite ill, he left that job and turned to writing. According to that, Thomas Hood, he is doing the hard work, and in that hard work, he became so weak. So that's why he left that job and turned to writing. Writing करने के लिए वो वहाँ पे turn हो गए. In 1815, he became a journalist. You know journalist? Yes, you have idea. In 1815, he became a journalist and worked in Dundee, Scotland. Later, he became the sub-editor of the London magazine. So, if we are discussing about any magazine, any journalist in this process having some difficulties, but after that Thomas Hood overcome that difficulties and become a sub-editor of the London magazine. He was known in his lifetime for his comic verse, but it is not more serious poetry that is remembered today. So he became a writer. He starting the writing after the leaving that job. Which job? Engraver. Engraver, mining works. After that, he started writing books and he become a sub-editor. And actually, he want to become a writer there. So that's why he starting his writing. And today we will discuss about one poem of Thomas Hood. This is the serious poetry that is remembered today. जो आज भी हमको याद आती है. Which is, so see the page number 22nd. No. This is the name of poem, title of poem. First we recite the poem and see in your textbook. No sun, no moon, no more, no noon. No down. This is the first light of the day. सूरज की पहली किरण जिसे बोलते हैं वो. No ducks. Dusk means this is the time of the day immediately following sunset. In that, if you want in a Marathi, this is the Katarved. We can say that. So see again. No dawn, no dusk, no proper time of day. No sky, no earthly view, no distance looking blue. No road, no street, not other side the way, no end to any row, no indication where the crescent go. Crescent, you have idea about that crescent? Crescent means demilune. We can say that Adha Chand, half moon. This is called a crescent also. This is called crescent. Okay? Now, no talk to any steeple. No recognition of familiar people, no courtesies for showing them, no knowing them. No traveling at all, no locomotion, no inkling of the way, no notion. No go by land or ocean, no mail, no post. No news from any foreign coast, no park, no ring, no afternoon gentility. No company, no nobility. No warmth, no cheerfulness, no helpful is no comfortable feel in any member. No shade, no shine, no butterflies, no bees. No fruits, no flower, no leaf, no birds, no ember. So this is the poem written by Thomas Wood, and this is the very serious poem. And we are discussing about the no. If they in whole world not having any these things describing in the poem Thomas Wood, अगर वो दुनिया में नहीं रहते तो दुनिया कैसी रहेगी? So that's why this is Thomas Wood describing this poem in a very serious matter. Okay, so today we discuss about the poem. In last period we are discussing more about that. So this is need to students write this poem in your notebook with the hard words. In the poem, if you find any hard words, underline, and sir will be taking the poem. That time also we can solve out that difficult words. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.